necessary to do content if you don't know where the fruits are taken from the fruit tree. And so if there are the working conditions for example, Eastern European workers, it might be good to work content into the internet, how Lidl and how Aldi, in this case how Netto, has picked and fruit picked these. In Germany we say Johannisbeeren, these red things. I don't know the term in English, but anyway, they are a little bit sour, but with a little bit of sugar you can make them more sweet. And so as I want to do fairly produced, eaten lifestyle, fairly produced consumption, and when I don't know how they are picked, I would like to do content, and I need to do content, and I do content then about these fruits. And so the real question then is how to find out where these little Johannisbeeren, as we call them, are picked. So you see these picked fruits, and normally, well, they are taken somehow from the Johannisbeer tree, as we say, from the fruit tree, from people, for example, from Romania or from Bulgaria or from somewhere there. And so as many people buy things and they look for fair trade signs, I have chosen another way